Morning students. Today we are going to discuss about nature of oxides in periodic classification. Generally, oxides are four types. Acidic oxides, basic oxides, amphoteric oxides, and neutral oxides. Neutral oxides. Acidic oxides. Non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Metal oxides are basic in nature. Metalloid oxides and some metal oxides are amphoteric in nature. Here, some non-metallic oxides, some metal oxides are neutral in nature. For example, carbon dioxide is non-metallic oxide. Magnesium oxide is metal oxide. And here we have As2O3. So, arsenic is metalloid, that oxide. Al2O3, these are amphoteric oxides, both. And here we have neutral oxides like CO, NO, N2O, MnO2. These all are neutral in. Why these are called as acidic means in water they will form acids like carbon dioxide, carbonic acid. And why it is basic means it forms magnesium hydroxide in water. It is a base, that's why basic oxide. This can form both react with acid and bases. That's why amphoteric in nature. And these can't react with neither acidic or base. So these are forming acids, these are forming bases. These can react with both acids and bases. These are neither acidic nor basic. Like this, four types of oxides we have. And the nature of these oxides in period and group we are discussing. Along with a period. Generally, left to right, nature of oxides will change. It will be varied. It will be varied. Means basic to acidic. Basic to acidic means left to right acidic strength going to be increased. For example, I am taking third period. In third period we have sodium gives sodium oxide. Next magnesium gives magnesium oxide. Next aluminium gives aluminium oxide. Next silicon gives silicon dioxide. Next phosphorus gives phosphorus pentoxide, then chlorine gives or sulfur gives sulfur trioxide, chlorine gives Cl2O7. So as we are moving left to right, acidic strength going to be increased. Let me see. This is a strong base and this is basic. This is amphoteric in nature. This is weak acid and this is acidic in nature. And this is strong acid and this is also very strong acid. How can we justify whether it is acidic or basic means? Generally, acidic character or basic character depend on electropositive or electronegative nature of central atom. If central atom is more electropositive, that is basic in nature. If central atom is more electronegative, that is acidic in nature. Means acidic and basic character depending on central atom. More electropositive, basic, more electronegative, acidic. Like this we can consider the acidic and basic. Like we see here, you know, in the periodic table, left side we have more electropositive elements, that is metals. And right side we have more electronegative elements like sulfur, chlorine, these are. So, more electropositive sodium is a strong base. More electronegative chlorine forms strong acid. Means in a period, strong base to strong acids along with, that is via amphoteric. Next, in a group. When we look into the group, down the group, electropositive character, a metallic character or nature increases. Metallic nature increases. So, basic nature increases and acidic nature decreases. And now we have to go. If any element form a number of oxides, for example, SO2, SO3, sulfur formed sulfur dioxide, then the acidic strength depending on percentage of oxygen. More will be the percentage, more will be the acidic. Means more number of oxygen atoms are there, that is more acidic in nature. So SO3 is more acidic than SO2. So number of oxygens we have to see. Then you go for. Here we discussed that carbon dioxide is acidic oxide, and such carbon dioxide why we are calling is along with water it will give carbonic acid. That's why carbon dioxide is called as anhydrous or anhydrate of carbonic acid. Why it is called as anhydrate of carbonic acid means where these react with water it gives oxyacids. That's why. Similarly, SO3 anhydrate of H2SO4, Cl2O7 is for HClO4, that is perchloric acid. These oxyacids acidic strength in group and period. Along with a period, period, oxyacids acidic strength increases, and along with a group, oxyacids acidic strength going to be decreases.